All right, guys. So this is just a test to show you that the deposits you see here are real. As you can see, my name is right there. I put in 5 grand and I also put in 30 bucks as a test. So these generally show you the last 10 deposits right here. So you know it's not just made up names. Like if you come to this website and you look to see who's depositing and how much, you will see your boy. As of now, but as more people deposit, you know, you're only going to see their names. But I thought I would show you guys that the deposits that you see here are real. There are real transactions going on. And they also show the last 10 withdrawals as well. So if you look under here, you can see guys withdrawing, you know, and you can withdraw once an hour, or you're getting paid every hour. So every time you get paid, you can withdraw if you wanted to. So as far as the referral commissions, you get 5% on your first level, 2% on your second level, and 3% on your third level. So basically, the people who use my link, 5%. The people who use your link, if you're under my link, I'll get 2%. And the people who use your referral link, 1%. And it'll be the same thing for you as well. And then you can apply for representative commissions and stuff like that. It's a little bit higher. So increase your partnership reward by up to 10% by becoming a regional representative. You need to get a decent amount to make that happen. I think the first level is 1,000, then the second is like 50,000 or something. So I just want to show you guys that, and then we're gonna come through here and just read a little bit of information. Of course, do your own research. Only invest what you are willing to potentially lose. Because this is extremely high risk, I got in at the highest package because I wanted the 0.9% or the 9%, which comes to 0 points. It's something per hour. And I'm going to show you guys that as well, but I just literally signed up. I've been looking at this for about 3 or 4 days. It's brand new. It just came out, I think, the 17th or something like that. Make sure you check out the Telegram as well. Let's see if I can show y'all that. They have one for English. I believe this is like Brazil, and another flag here. I think it's French or something. France. Yeah, it says it right here. My bad. So make sure you check out the Telegrams. I used USDT on the Tron network, so I recommend getting a Tron wallet. You can get an Exodus wallet too, but I just chose to use a Tron wallet. Because I already had one before I started this project. So basically, this project is called Aufin or AUFin. I think AU might stand for Australia. I'm not sure. But AU Finance. So AU Finance Limited is a group of cryptocurrency experts with experience in trading, mining, and arbitrage trading. So if you don't know what arbitrage trading is pretty much you're buying currency on one exchange and you're selling it for a profit on another exchange. So let's just talk about like stable coins. Like you can buy BUSD, if it's like off peg at 99 cents, and then you can sell it for $1.01 or something like that. Because some of the stable coins fluctuate between 1 or 2 or 3 cents or something like that. That's pretty much what people do. You can buy Bitcoin at 29,300 on one exchange and sell it for 29,700 on another one, just because of the fluctuations in the market and the timing, because the different time zones or whatnot. So, and then we already know what mining is. Either you're using real mining equipment to mine crypto, or you're participating in mining projects or farms or whatever. And they also trade futures and other cryptocurrencies of that nature as well. So we use the finest servers, Cloudflare DDoS protection, and SSL encryption to secure important data on our site. So there have been people who've interviewed the CEO, so it's not a anonymous CEO. And when you check out the Telegram, you'll see one of the admins in the English-speaking Telegram as well, because I was just in there. So basically, let me see. Growth that is steady, legitimacy, indestructible, dependable. Now, for people who were in cotps and swapnex, those were crypto arbitrage trading platforms. So basically, the example I just gave you, you buy on one exchange and you sell for a profit on another exchange, and then we in turn get paid out a percentage after they get their cut as well. Which a lot of people are going to say, well, how are they able to give you, anywhere from 5% to 9%? Well, they are doing more than just arbitrage trading. They're also, investing into mining, futures, and things of that nature. So it's more in the pot. Plus, they're using our liquidity to fund those things, get a profit, and then bring it back to us. So they do take a percentage, and we pay them for it, because you can do all this stuff yourself. But it's going to take, time, expertise, and all that. So basically 5% for 30 days. Your investment is locked for 30 days. However, after 5 days, you can get your money back minus 10%. So if you put $1,000 in here and after 5 days you decide you don't want to, ride out with it, when you can withdraw your money and you're going to get back around $900. You know what I'm saying? So you can kind of do the math on that. You put $100 in, you want to withdraw after the 5 days, then you'll be getting back $90. So standard plan is 5%. That's anywhere from $20 to $999. And you're going to get about 0.21 hourly. 0.21 hourly. And of course, you can get your deposit returned, 10% fee after 5 days. The intermediate plan is anywhere from $1,000 to $499. And you're looking at a profit of 0.29% hourly, because you get paid every hour, and whenever that's in your balance, you can withdraw. So you can literally sit here, have these guys do the trading for you, and you're going to make you're going to make some reward. You're going to generate your rewards every 60 minutes. And I'm going to show you guys that as well, because I haven't got anything because I just literally started. So yeah, and then the same thing applies here. If you want to withdraw after the 5 days, you get hit with 10% fee, which is dope, because a lot of platforms do not offer that at all. Either you're going to wait your 90 to 120 days and that's it. So they give you an opportunity to withdraw early. And they have a decent amount of, I think we have 3.3 million in about 12 days or so. All right. So, and then here's the premium plan. So I joined in at the minimum of the premium plan. And again, only invest what you guys are potentially willing to lose. But you are going to get anywhere from 5 to 9%, depending on what how much you put in, pretty much. So let's just say let's just say you did $1,000, right? I wish there was a way I can just type this in. But if you did let's just say you did $1,000, you're looking at about $3 an hour and $75 a day. So to get your money back, you pretty much just do $75 times how many ever days, and that's how many days it's going to take for you to get your money back. 2 days is $150. So it's going to be somewhere around, let's see, it's going to be somewhere around it should be less than 10 days. I say that. So that's the risk I'm willing to play. So for my particular situation, let's just say is that. So I'm looking at $430, because I didn't get in with the extra 65, but let's just say I did. $455 a day, and we'll be making like $18, $19 an hour. So that's job killing all day long. And this is extremely high risk. We've seen a lot of these platforms, last for 1 month, 2 months, 9 months. So we don't know how long this is going to last. However, my strategy is to collect my initial investment back. And obviously you guys know that I don't really invest into projects like this as much, but We were waiting on cotps. Something happened with that. Stablebnb. Something happened with that. Swapnex. Something happened with that. Now somebody might say, well, what makes you think something's not going to happen to this? It could. I'm going to withdraw once a day, and I could wake up tomorrow and this could be gone. But I can still do everything that I need to do. I'm not going to be, oh snap, I got to go get a 9 to 5. Like, it's not going to be anything crazy like that. I'm not saying getting a 9 to 5 is crazy, because I definitely would get one if I had to, but I'm not risking money that, I need to sustain my life. So yeah, so definitely take that into consideration. Link will be in the description as well. Of course, I'll put it in the comment section. You don't have to invest anything crazy, because my first initial investment was like $30, because I wanted to test to see how the process goes. I also use a website called changely.com. I'll leave a link to that as well, because I was exchanging BUSD to USDT on Tron. So, and then once you get your Tron, you come here, and then you make your you select your package, and then you fund your account. So if I were to leave this in and just let this rock out, it'll be 18,000 in 30 days. Now, if it lasts 30 days, we good. But I'm not going to not take, because you can't compound with this on this platform. So pretty much it's just going to build up in your wallet until you withdraw. Or you can let it build up in your wallet until you create another plan. But I'm not going to do that, because these percentages are so high. I want to minimize risk fully, and just minimize my chances of, getting caught out there looking crazy, and get my initial investment back. So we also have referral commissions. I briefly spoke about that. And as you can see on screen, one of my investments right there. So it's not no, trickery here. Now we have almost 4 million in 12 days. As you can see, yep, here we go right here. 12 running days. So now somebody might say, well, the platform will keep making money as long as, the platform won't close as long as they're making money. Yes, sometimes, but sometimes it depends on what they feel like they can pay out. Like if we have 4 million in deposits, and they just say, you know what, we don't feel like paying out no more money, because the more we pay out, the more we could just keep for ourselves. Then people just rug. The CEO isn't super anonymous, but only a handful of people right here on YouTube in the crypto DeFi space have seen this CEO. And the CEO has a plan to sustain this project for 1 year. The LLC is registered for 1 year, or the registration for this company is registered for 1 year. So we can either rock out. If it lasts that long, people will make millions. That's just what it is. Just like guys made millions on cotps, guys made 6 figures on swapnex and metafi. A lot of people on YouTube have. So I'm not talking highly about this. Of course, this is high risk. I'm just letting you guys know some brief information about this project. Of course, do your own research. You know what I'm saying? Only invest what you're willing to part ways with, and you should be good. So let's go to About Us. See what it go on. So asset management, legitimacy, and steady growth. I'm not going to comb through here, because I kind of want to get to the dashboard. But make sure you come here. Make sure you see the registration date here. You can look all this stuff up. Of course, people could fabricate things like that, but come here and do your research and figure out if this is legit for you. A group of dedicated, experienced individuals who place safety of your funds first. Multiply your funds without having any prior understanding of the cryptocurrency industry. So basically, that's what I was talking about. Like, we are lending them money without spending time and effort to trying to do this stuff ourselves. Again, link will be in the description. You already know what it is. I'm bringing you guys stuff that is not as risky, such as crowd farmers. We making money off of there. We got the crops yield farm. We're making money off of there. I gave you guys some standalone plays that I'm invested in as well. And now I'm bringing you guys crypto yields, yield farming, plus mining, plus arbitrage. I'll just say arbitrage first and foremost. So yeah. So let's go to the dashboard so you guys can see the get down. So I put $30 in to test, the deposit feature. And then once that went through, I put $5,000 in. Now, as you can see, I haven't accumulated any commissions or whatever you want to call it. So my account balance is at 0. My earnings is at 0. So you see my name, blah blah blah. Make sure you turn on 2-factor authentication. That's always good. So total deposit right here, active deposit. As you can see, total withdrawal 0, pending withdrawal 0. And I've seen some videos where people withdrawals are very fast. Deposits are fast. Both deposits for me took about 1 to 2 minutes. I say 1 minute or less. From just taking the money from my wallet to here is like 1 minute. So if we go over to deposits, it'll show how much time I have left. Because remember, you're getting paid every hour. So for my $30 standard plan, you see $30 standard plan. I got 15 minutes and 41 seconds. And for the big dog premium plan, I have 40 more minutes. 40 minutes, and it's going to be the same amount every hour like clockwork. Sometime tomorrow I'll do my first withdrawal, and I might do it. I might record it. If I whatever. But this video getting super long, so you guys see that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click refresh. Just pay attention to this this time so you can see this happen, because it doesn't do it automatically. So you see 15 minutes and 41 seconds. 14 minutes and 50 seconds. So as you can see, the time's going down, and the website is very, 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 very fast. So by the time you see this video, we might be at 4 million already in 12 days. That's pretty good. And you can write your testimonials, look at your transactions, pending withdrawals, pending withdrawals probably won't be a thing, because again, people are withdrawing fastest. So as you can see, I'm only using USDT Tron. So USDT is Tether on the Tron network. So if you guys need any assistance, holler at your boy. Make sure you click the link. But it's pretty, if I can do it, I know you guys can do it. But I'll do a tutorial. I don't know, maybe tomorrow. I'll do a withdrawal, and then but I'll have to that'll be my first edited video, because it'll be hard to do a tutorial on something like this, because it's different moving parts. But if you guys want to see that, if enough people are interested, I will do a tutorial as well. So yeah, new deposit. You'll come here. You'll pick one of your plans. It'll have a little check mark on it. After you click on it, it'll tell you the amount and your interest rate, which is pretty much your hourly rate when it comes to this platform. And you can get a return anytime after 5 days with a 10% early withdrawal fee. These are the currencies you can use: Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, Tron, Tether ERC, which is going to be USDT on Ethereum, and Tether TRC, which is going to be USDT or Tether on Tron. So let's just say for my particular situation, I'll probably do, if I do a tutorial, I'll do standard, and then I'll do Tron. Then you'll click submit. It's going to take you to another page with a timer. I'll just go ahead and show you guys that too. Oh, let me see. Let's just say I wanted to do 400. Let's just say the whatever the amount will be tomorrow. Click submit. Now it's going to bring you this information right here. Tell you your plan, your amount, payment amount, USDT, Tron, right there. Then you click submit. And it's going to bring you to this page. Now you can scan this code, or you can copy and paste. I just chose to copy this, and when I copied it, I pasted it in my Tron wallet. So you go to USDT on your Tron wallet or Exodus, whatever you choose to use, and then you click send, and then when you, this is going to be the address you're sending to. So you copy this, you enter your amount, paste that, and then you're going to be sending it to this address. You're going to get it in like, you're going to get it pretty fast. Once you get that, for me it took 1 minute. Once you get that, it's going to give you a congratulations thingamabob, and then you come to the dashboard and you'll see your amount. You come to deposits and you'll see whatever your plan and all that good stuff. So that's just a basic, mental tutorial. If you kind of already know how this stuff goes, you just wanted to hear it. But yeah, that's going to be it. This is all aufinance or aufin or Aufin. I don't know which one. Aufin. I'll just call it Aufin. Click the link in the description. If you guys got any more questions, hit me up on Telegram. Hit me up on Instagram or Twitter. And that's it. Other than that, come here, do your own research. If you want to invest, only invest what you're willing to potentially lose. Other than that, it's your boy Icy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.